Hey guys, Brett here from the tech team. I'm going to show you how to specify a 2x2 video wall in ICE. So it's pretty straightforward. First thing we're going to need to do is edit a wall style. I'm going to select one that just has one antler in here and goes all the way to the ceiling. I'd suggest doing the same. So from there we're going to edit the style. This antler is going to need to move. Like I say, we're going to be using this full 5 foot tile height constraint. So from there, I'm going to go properties. I'm actually going to go from the top of the, please move, no. Go from the top of the ceiling, and I'm going to actually change this to 5 foot and 5/8. And if I did that correctly, let's now check our information, and you'll see our height is now 5 feet, which is great. What we're also going to want to do is change this into a back painted glass tile. Let's go shimmer. And then from there, we will also insert our window. So go insert at the top, window, and there's our window. Now in this case, for our window, let's check what the size is for that 4 foot window. So if I go in here, 3 foot 10 by 6 foot 9 3/16. 3 foot 10. So jump back into ice. Alright, and we're going to have that centered on that tile. So now that's done, you'll see this big window here, and that's correct. So now I'm just going to save this in ice. We'll call it video wall. And now we'll jump back into ice, find our wall style, video wall. And like I say, you're going to want a minimum width of at least 8 feet for this frame. So we'll go with that minimum width. You'll see that it's breaking out into 2 frames right here. We obviously need to change that. So we'll go into properties here, change our default module length to 8 foot, as well as our max module length to 8 foot. Now, when I view this in 3D, you'll see we have our one large opening, one large frame, and this is in a 9 foot tall ceiling. So one thing that we actually need to do to get a real accurate portrayal of this in ice is we'll want to change the image on here to a video wall. So I already have this preloaded. It's also in the document. So let's go vid wall, and now if I jump back out, you can see we have it all actually portrayed in ice as a video wall. And then from there, what we're going to need to do, so now we have this all ready to go. You can monkey with the finishes, of course, as much as you like. From there, the last thing that we're going to want to do is add in our brackets and fan kits. So in this case, we're going to jump on down to our catalog items, media wall hardware. This will obviously be going to info for deflection approval, depending on your site, but you'll need to add hardware 202, as many as required by the PD structural team. And we're just going to add some fan kits here. So we're going to need 3 fan kits. If you have a power chassis too as well, you're going to want to do that. If you're in a level 4 type area. And the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to need to add a custom catalog note. So in this case, this is going to be our video wall brackets. And these are already pre-designed for everything that's mentioned in the document. So we're going to add that note in there. to be provided by tech team. And then from there, we will provide the information required. So just like that, we are good to go. So you can see our video wall brackets, our fan kits are all in there. Obviously, like I say, we'll need power considerations, whether you're using power chassis or just having multiple conventional boxes mounted inside the wall frame. Other quick few things that I'd like to add while we're at this. Again, make sure the back side of the wall, and in this case, if we look at our wall style, just by default, but still we have these 4-foot panels on the back side that are nice and accessible. Well, not in this case, but this would obviously be need to split into multiple tiles. But if you can make these individual tiles, it's just a lot easier for accessibility. Or if you have a curtain wall application, it's also nice to build out the wall. So let's just go with another wall style. Build out the wall about 1 foot so somebody can get inside there and maneuver and get access to the back side of these displays. So other than that, guys, that's your quick crash course on how to specify a 2x2 video wall in ICE. Thanks.